If you want to study the motion curve of the object or tracer or any special part of the simulation, if you simulate it here, as you can see, you can use the plots. I want to explain them how to use it. Okay, as you can see, we have plot number 1 and plot number 2. Okay, I delete them by click on this. This is on plot, as you can see, and to make it. Okay, we have a library, material, and a plot tabs here. Okay, and as you can see, we have a tracer point here that you can delete it as if you want. It's specify a point in special part of the object that you can study its motion. For example, I want to study this motion of this object in any direction that you want. First, you have to add a new tab for plot. For example, tab number www number 1. Okay, this is plot www number 1. Here you have to define the managed curve. Okay, plus add and select your object that you want to study. As you can see, the software tells you which parameter do you want to study. For example, this is on y-axis. I want to study the y position, y speed, or y acceleration, or any function that you want. It's okay. And as you can see, if you play a start here in a second, and you can study that parameter for that object. As you can see, it's right here. Which parameter you want to study and its scale. Okay, stop it. For example, you want to study this part, or for example, this part of this object. Here you have to add a tracer point. In a in a simulation, we have a solid tracer point. First you have to add a new tab here, www2, and select it to add it. Go to simulation, solid tracer point. Here you have to pick a point. For example, I want to pick this point exactly, or any point that you want. If you select this, you can select, for example, this point. Okay, and we have a tracer here. For select that tracer, for example, you want to study exactly this point of that object. Select the manage graph plus and select that tracer. As you can see, this tracer adds to that object, and it tells you which parameter do you want to study. Acceleration, speed, or any parameter that you want, you can add it here, and we have lots of parameters to study. If you start it, as you can see, you can study one or a lots of parameter in a different color here. The parameter of that specific point in body of that object, this tracer. Okay, it's very easy and simple. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.